Rolling.
Hello there, my name is Zach. I'm standing here in front of a barn. Over 4 decades ago this barn was built, and as the people building the barn were building it, they certainly didn't have any idea that something called the coronavirus would be occurring. They certainly had no clue that someday I would be shooting a video in front of it, because I wasn't born yet. Even last year, 2019, we weren't expecting this year to be the way it has turned out. So, with that being said, we're different. I am very different from you. If you're watching this, you've noticed that you're not the one in the video talking. You've also noticed that you don't live where I do. I live in the beautiful state of Alabama, and you live wherever you're at, wherever you live. We also have, more than likely, many different religious views, many different political views, many different fashion opinions. We probably eat different stuff and are offended by different things. You also may disagree that the coronavirus, or the COVID-19, I believe it's called, it was brought to us by aliens in order to tank our economy. Whether you believe that our president started it, whatever the case may be, the fact is, you may disagree on how serious it is, or how much precautions are being taken, or how little precautions. You may think we're not doing enough. You may think that we're doing way too much, or blowing it out of proportion. I want us to take a minute to think. All of those things about us that make us different are so important. I take my religion very important. You take your beliefs very important. We should never put those aside, but rather, right now, while holding on to everything we hold dear, join together, unite as not only a state, a country, but as a planet, in order to help those who are helping those who need physical, medical attention. How are we alike? The way we are alike is that we can do something to help. The fact is, help is needed in the United States and around the world. The healthcare, doctors, nurses, the RNs, the techs, the people who are in that area, the schedulers, the people who bring you the food, all of those people need help right now. There's a desperate need for masks in order to help prevent getting the disease, or the virus, as well as spreading the virus. Doctors are going to be the people who help us when we are sick. So the healthcare profession needs help. They work long hours. They are in constant environments where sickness occurs all the time. Not just the coronavirus, which is right now in March 2020, and their disposable masks are being disposed of because they're being used up. And the call is to help the people who are in the healthcare profession. You may be incapacitated, you may be old, you may be young, you can do something to help. So the question is, what can you do to help? Therefore, ways you can help. Some people can sew, some people can collect materials and get them to places that can sew. And you may be thinking, there's nothing I can do. Well, if you're watching this, you can share it with someone who may in turn share it with someone else, and it exponentially helps save lives. So my call is, let's protect our doctors and all of those who work alongside them in order that they can help us, because time will tell whether it's been blown out of proportion or whether we did too little too late. But one thing we all can do is something. We can write thank you notes. We can call hospitals. I encourage you to do this. Call your local hospital. Ask, what can we do to help? If and when, hopefully not, someone you know or yourself gets put in the hospital, they will be better protected and equipped to treat you. So appealing to pure logic and hopefully compassion for others, step outside of yourself from hoarding things, and then as you protect yourself, protect your family, but then look further than that. How can you help the doctors who are helping people who need medical attention? That is my call. I hope that you respond. I hope that this goes so viral that people are making fun of me. I hope that there's memes. I hope that it gets so world circulated that there are parody videos or whatever. If this message is getting out there, then that means that there's going to be people who will pick up the call to arms and help their local doctors and medical staff. I am going to put a link in the description because we know we're all going to die. And so I unashamedly will put at least one link will remain in the description of what I personally believe. But I'm not asking you to join me. I'm not asking you to join a cause. I'm not asking you to do anything except what is needed. Join the fight to help our doctors and those in need, so that in turn they can help patients, and they can help your family, your friends, and your enemies. There's a real need out there, and you can help. So no matter who you are, where you are, what you believe on planet Earth, I hope that we unite together, be a part of helping. Now is the time to do something, and you could be one of the people to do it. Thank you.